Namaste to all my Apollonians, to all the rainbow children, to the people that are going to change this world one day. You must understand that that is the reason why you clicked on this video. You realize that it all starts with the self, that you must master yourself before you can change this world, because instead of trying to change the world and the environment around you, you can change yourself internally, change your vibration, change your frequency, change your wavelength, and in turn, the world around you will change to adapt to you. Frequencies always move to the highest one. In order to change our frequency, we must learn how to master meditation, learn how to master our mind, because we all have a magnetic field around us. Our brain is so powerful. So let's get into this meditation. How to meditate. The monks say that we have a monkey mind. You know, the constant chatter, the constant thoughts. When's the last time you've heard your mind be quiet? A lot of people go into meditation thinking you cannot have thoughts, you cannot have any emotions, but we need thoughts, we need our emotions. Instead, a very simple technique to train your mind to meditate is to simply give that monkey mind a job. Simply sit down in a comfortable position. If you can't do the lotus, then sit crisscross applesauce. Make sure your back is straight. Your vertebrae is sticking up. And just tell your mind to focus on your breath. As you breathe in and as you breathe out. It's okay to have thoughts. It's okay. As long as you are aware of your breath at all times. Become one with your thoughts. Become one with the elements around you. Breathe. Let the thoughts come and go. Do not move. Be still. As I was doing this meditation, a spider crawled onto me. I didn't know it was a spider until I opened my eyes, but I felt something crawling onto me. But I said, I am not going to interrupt my meditation. Animals will not bother you if you are meditating correctly. If you are sitting still, the animals will only see you as a part of nature. Just another object, just another tree, just another living thing in the environment. Become one with the environment. The very first question I'm going to answer is, do you have any tips to keep yourself on a high vibration on a day-to-day basis? And what I say to that is to make sure you are aware of the energy that is around you. Energy is everywhere. Energy is in the people that you hang around. Are the people that you are around, are they helping you grow? Are they helping you learn? Or are they distracting you? And are they stealing your energy? As much as humans don't want to believe it, we are animals too. And in the animal kingdom, there are 3 types of symbiotic relationships. There's mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. In mutualism, both animals in the relationship benefit. This is the type of relationship that you should have with anyone or anything in your life. But there's also parasitism, where one organism gains and the other suffers. If you are around leeches, if you are around troublemakers, if you are around people with bad energy, with people that are dealing with trauma, they will only bring you down. Stay away from these people. Make sure you are around like-minded people. People that are on the same vibration as you. Because if you are around people with a lower vibration, they will only bring you down. You are who you hang out with. Are the people that you are hanging around helping you grow? Keep yourself on a high vibration by making sure you keep clean and good energy around you. But it isn't only limited to people. It is limited to it is also a result of the diet that you feed into your brain. Are you listening to music that is helping you grow, helping your soul? Or are you listening to rap music that is promoting drugs, violence, over-sexualizing women, and a bunch of other things that isn't helping you grow at all? Are you watching porn? Is your mind addicted to sex? Are you watching something educational, or are you on the TV, on YouTube, watching the Kardashians, or watching some YouTuber that is simply draining your energy, sucking your energy, and not helping you at all? That is a parasitic relationship. Keep yourself on a high vibration by making sure you only keep good energy around you. Another question someone asked was, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love yourself, Greek God? I replied and I said over 9,000. Because it all starts with yourself, as I said at the beginning of this video. The only person that truly has you is you. So if you don't love yourself, how can anyone else love you? People, they like to label everything. They say, if you love yourself too much, you're narcissistic, you're egotistic. And you know what I say to that? I say you are a god. I say I am a god. There is nothing wrong with me. I don't have a disease. I don't have a condition. I don't have a mental or personality disorder. There's something wrong with you. Because you think there's something wrong with me for loving myself. I love myself. These other people that don't love themselves are always seeking validation, and they live for everyone else. They post a picture on Instagram for everyone else because their likes, they value themselves over the likes that other people give them on a social media platform. When in actuality, those people on social media that like that picture don't know anything about you. They don't care about you at all. Love yourself. Someone asked me, do you work out at all? And once again, it comes down to love, man. Working out teaches you discipline. 444. Because if you want anything in life, it's going to take discipline, hard work, and determination. Working out forces you to watch your health, watch your weight, and watch your diet. And once those things are balanced, you are going to have a sharper mind. You are going to be a better problem solver. You're going to have better memory. You're going to have more energy. You're going to have a higher self-esteem because you're going to look in the mirror and say, wow, you are beautiful. You are going to become addicted to working out because you love the feeling of loving yourself. As long as you are doing it for the right reasons, you will be less jealous and less envious of anyone else. Because you work out of self-love. Because you love yourself. You love your mind. You love your body. So yes, I work out. It's a stress reliever too. The less stressed you are, the better and more positive mindset you have. And the easier it will be for you to manifest anything in life. Love yourself. It all starts with yourself. Another person asked, are you currently focused on yourself, or are you still fucking with these females? And I say, I'm working on myself, and I will always be working on myself. If you chase females, you will be chasing females your entire life. Eliminate all the distractions in your life and work on your purpose. Work for yourself. We don't live in the animal kingdom, but humans are still animals. We still have that primal brain inside of us. And females are always going to want the alpha male. And you know what the alpha male does? He works on himself. He's always on his purpose. He always has something to do. Females want a man that can protect them. And a man that they can support in all of his endeavors. Stop chasing females and chase your purpose. Last question. What day are you on NoFap? As a lot of you know, I reset myself for the NoFap experiment right before 2020 started. So every single day we are in 2020 is how many days I am in. I am currently at day 34. I can't wait to show you guys the update video because it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Look at me brushing the spider off of me. Love yourself. Somebody asked me, how do I define happiness? I define happiness as pure love. And when you are doing what you are supposed to be doing, all you will feel is pure love. Unconditional love.